Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. There are 7 abbreviation of electrical standards like NEMA, NEC, NFPA, UL, ASTM, IEEE, UBC, like Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers and Standard Association. NEMAs, National Electrical Manufacturers Association, Standard National Electrical Manufacturer Association, define product process and production with references, all the electrical fundamentals and rehabilitations as well. And the second, National Electrical Code NEC. The National Electrical Code NFPA 70 is regionally adaptable standard of safely installation in all industries as well. The third one is a National Fire Protection Association NFPA. NFPA basically facilitating development of updating modern 1300 codes standard related of industries development associations. NFPA basically National Fire Protection Association deal in the fire and safety, human harness and like activity hazardous harmful appliances which is installed in industries. Underwriters Laboratories. It was known throughout 20th century Underwriters Laboratories participant which deal and employment of in industries. Provide the certification, validation, testing and inspection advertising activities. ASTM, American Society for Testing and Materials. It's an international organization which is deal voluntarily across the world and entire whole world like a globally operational system. IEEE, Institute of Electrical Electronics Engineers Standard Association, which is deal and robotics, hardware and textile designing and equipment appliances as well in industries. UBC, Uniform Building Code. The UBC Building Technical Guideline is provided technical support to renovation universities and implementation of standards uniforms.